Hey, Tom here with Prove It, and today we're taking a look at the NEOS II Ultra from Soocas. This is a 3-in-1 toothbrush. It has a built-in water flosser. The head both oscillates side to side and vibrates at 66,000 vibrations per minute. A toothbrush is not something I would normally spend a lot of money on. My friends at Soocas were nice enough to send this one to me for free to try out. And I gotta say, I've been using it for 2 weeks. Pretty solid, and I've been mighty impressed with it. Now, if I am gonna spend money on something, it needs to be something that I use every day, something that makes a difference in what I'm doing. And I do kind of like this, but I'm just gonna go over it with you, show you what it does. First off, the entire thing is completely waterproof. You can clean it under the faucet. Whatever you want to do. There are no charging ports to worry about. It charges wirelessly right here. It holds a charge for up to 30 days, which is awesome if you're going to be traveling or whatever. If you charge it before you go, you don't even have to worry about bringing the charger with you. When you do charge it, it's just going to be this little charger, snaps on the back here and plugs into USB. Nice and simple there. Comes with this great little cover to throw over it when you're not using it. You know, keep those germs from landing on your brush head. All that. Awesome thing for traveling, going anywhere. Comes with a travel case it fits right into. Head comes off, fits in there nicely. Closes up. Zips up. And it's a hard case. Protects all that in there. Obviously, if you're buying an expensive toothbrush, you don't want to get busted up if you're traveling with it. So speaking of those brush heads, they snap on just like that. Super simple. They have a couple different varieties that you can get. This is the multi-clean, the ultra clean brush head on here. They also got an ultra soft. Even this one, it's not overly stiff. It doesn't tear up your gums. It's not hard on you or nothing. The toothbrush, the movement of the toothbrush does enough that you don't even, need that extra stiffness really. This is going to get in there and do what it needs to do. So we're going to turn this on and show you what it does. It has 2 modes right here. There is the brush and floss, which is going to give you 2 minutes of brushing. It's going to vibrate every 30 seconds. So you know, hey, you can work one corner of your mouth, move on to another section of your mouth every 30 seconds until you're done with the 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, it's going to continue vibrating and it's going to start water flossing. It's also got a mode that is just floss. And the floss is just going to give you water and vibration. So it's going to give you 2 minutes of brushing up here with this. And then it's going to be followed by up to 80 seconds of flossing. You'll probably run out of the water reservoir before 80 seconds. But if that's the case, you can fill it back up. So I'm going to turn this on. Hopefully you can see this motion of this. See, it's got the oscillation back and forth, 20 degrees. And the whole thing vibrates, which is pretty awesome. And then as this goes, like I said here in a second, you're going to get a very obvious pulse at 30 seconds, basically telling you how you move on to the next section of your mouth. So you start down here. There it is. Get that. You can see this thing, no joke, the movement on it. The sonic vibrations and the oscillation combined. You definitely come away feeling clean after using it. And anytime during the brush, say you need to stop this motion for a second, boom, tap that button. It pauses it. See it's blinking there? So it'll pick up right where you left off. Hit it again, goes right back to what it was doing. If you press and hold that, it's gonna shut it off altogether. Now, there are 3 different intensity levels to that brushing. So if I turn that back on, it's all the way up. It's on level 3 right now. There's 1. There's the 2nd level, a little stronger. And there's the 3rd level, all the way up. So you kind of see that intensity. Oscillates a little less on the lower, a little more on the medium, and full maximum on that one. So now for the water pick feature, that's going to come after your brush on your normal cycle. I'm going to turn it on so you can see it. But the reservoir itself, an easy fill back here. Fill that up. But it also, the entire bottom of this will come off for cleaning, which again, they thought of everything here. For cleaning this, they provide this brush. You can pop that whole bottom off, clean up in there, keep that thing nice and sanitary. And you can put just straight water in this, or you can put like a diluted mouthwash in there, which is interesting too. I haven't tried that yet. I've just done the water. So I'm going to turn on the floss feature, kind of show you. You get the same, like I said, you get the vibration. You still get the oscillation. And that's going to carry on. The fill tube's pretty good. It picks up the water. You keep this thing up and down especially. It picks it up almost the whole way. It's kind of down on that side, so if you're holding it like that, your pickup tube's not going to run out of the water until that tank's pretty well empty. You see that thing back in some power there. Splattering all over the place because I don't have it all the way in my mouth, but just wanted you to kind of see it. I'm pretty sure I could shoot somebody across the room with this. This actually might make a pretty decent water gun if I'm fighting with the kids. I bet I could get 20 feet of range out of this thing real easy. So I might try that too. Also want to mention, this thing comes in a couple different colors. This is the midnight blue. Again, very slick, dark blue color. The heads, and a matching color. There's a pack of the replacement heads. This is the same multi-clean, but you can also get the soft. But then they also make this in a champagne color. They send me one of those as well. Again, the heads, same brush, different color, 2 color choices there. But all in all, I've been super happy with it. And I think if you're looking for a toothbrush, gets you feeling super clean, doubles as a water flosser, check this one out.